Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to your viewing. Open YouTube on desktop or the app and verify watch history is enabled in settings. Otherwise, enable it now so data records. Next, click your avatar and choose your data in YouTube, or go to History from the left menu to jump directly into past activity. You do this because logged, enabled history gives you searchable, time-stamped records to filter and recover the videos you need. Once in history, you search using keywords, channel names, or unique phrases from the video to narrow results quickly. Make sure to apply filters by date range and activity type so you avoid unrelated items. Switch between watch and search tabs to see what you actually watched versus what you looked up. If results are long, use your browser Find Command or export your YouTube data to CSV for offline searching. This method saves time. When you locate the video, open it and immediately add it to a playlist or watch later so you won't lose it again. Playlists let you group by topic. If a video is gone from results, make sure you are on the correct Google account and that history wasn't paused or deleted. Once done, check a YouTube data export for older entries. If problems persist, re-enable history, sync devices, and retry the search. This fixes most missing history issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.